All right, everybody, this is our cabin in Odyssey of the Seas. It's a bit of a mess because we've been here for a day already, but it's the first chance I've had to do to make a video. So basically standing in the doorway right now, and this is the room, not very wide. So you walk in a step or two and immediately to the left, this is the bathroom, and that is going to be your light switch. Now, here's the doorway. Important thing to know about the doorway is you put your CPAS in here in order to activate the lights. Now this is the light switch for the cabin to turn on and off, but if there's no CPAS in here, the lights will not turn on. So that's really important. We've got air conditioning or heat controls here. Again, this is the bathroom. Again, bathroom light switch. I believe it's on. You walk in, there is the shower. As you can see, we've already got some of our stuff in there. I have my first aid kit hanging here. There is a spot to hang some towels, both inside and outside of the shower. There is the drain, pretty tight, cute floor. And you walk in, there I am. This is your sink, not very big, not very deep. There are a little shelf down below with a couple of odds and ends, including toilet paper. And this, you guys, I bring poopery. This is actually a trash bin. And there's a little plunger there. This is your toilet. Pretty basic European toilet. I threw some Kleenex in there to basically show you guys how the flushing works. So the flushing is this mechanism here, and it's really, really loud and really, really intense. So it just super easy. So there's a few shelves, which I've taken over with my basically everything for my hair, my skin, you name it. We've got our toothbrushes laying all over. We've made a mess. What can I say? I did bring hand soap, my own. We prefer it, and it's easy. You just use it up, and then you can toss it away when you're done. So a little towel bar there. Towels, woo, very close to there. Okay, so you can see lights out, lights on. So just close the door, turn the lights off. Okay, so there are two closets in the cabin. This is the first one. Sorry guys, this is hard to do. There's not a lot of space. I have a few odds and ends in here, nothing exciting. Basically, in this closet, you have two spots to hang stuff and put stuff on the ground. Got bathing suit stuff hanging up. I believe this bed, or this couch may fold into like a bed. If you had kids or something, I think this is, you can do that. I have brought my, basically I showed you guys to bring some magnets. Got magnets hanging all over the walls, holding up all kinds of stuff. So I got my hats hanging here. There's the desk full of my first aid pills, charging station. Got the ducks. We were a member of the Royal Caribbean Key. They brought this for us today. It is some fresh fruit for us for tonight, which is really nice. That's a member benefit for being in the Key. I got stuff hanging. These are my RFID wallets and things. Okay, so I've got my travel purse here. I've got a spa itinerary there. We've got luggage down here. There's the TV. Told you guys I bring generally one of these. It's basically a shoe thing for in your closet. I bring it. You can see I put it up with a couple of, these are just magnetic hooks, and we keep all kinds of things in here. Suntan lotion, you know, anything we need to go ashore, body stuff, you know, whatever you want to throw in there, you can throw in there. We've got some clothes hanging off hooks we brought. Again, those are those magnetic hooks. This is the bed. We've already plunked down on it today, so we made a mess out of it, but this is the second closet. This closet has two drawers for putting clothing in, so that's really nice, and they're soft closed doors. And then inside here is just a nice place to put long clothes again, and then there's actually some no shelves and the safe for the room, which is really nice. And then, of course, it's dark out now, but we do have, our cabin does have a balcony. You can see me push it down all the way to unlock it, and there's our balcony. So we'll come out here, door shut behind. You get a chair with a footrest, table, another chair and a footrest, and there is the ocean. So, hope you guys enjoyed this view of the cabin. This is the Odessey of the Sea. The ship's about 3 years old, maybe just a little bit more than 3 years old. You do have to lock the door in order to get your air conditioning to operate. So if you don't remember to lock the door, your room might get hot. So another nice thing is they definitely have light blocking so that you can sleep in the morning if the light comes up early, which it can. You just pull those shut. It absolutely darkens the room. So some lights. That's actually storage, overhead storage, and we put our carry-ons in here, so that's really nice. And then we do have one piece of luggage here, but I don't know why he hasn't put it under the bed, but my luggage is under the bed, if you guys can see this. So there is room to store luggage under your bed, which is really nice because, as you can see, storage is at a premium. Got a couple of drawers here, and then a very, very, very small refrigerator here. And by small, I mean really small. So doesn't even fit a plate in it, but that's nice. So, all right, guys. Excuse the mess, but this is a balcony cabin in Odessey of the Sea. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks.